Hello. Okay. Nice. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we are solving the world break. So in this, we are using the TP, and in that, here I represent the int index. Okay, so I in the int index. So okay, start index. And now I found the starting position. If this is start is greater than -1, and okay, -1 dp start start. It should be true, then only we'll put the dp and index equals to true. And if everything goes well, then dp -1 will also get true. Okay, let's run this. Okay, found us. Okay. Oh shit. Tough us. In each case, my output is false. Means there is some error. Okay, let's see. Like Leetcode, then the TP should be 0. No. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This one, the only one is true. And now I will go for each word. Okay, like the first word is leet. Current position is 0, then it will not work. And now let's go for second position. Still nothing because lead were in verdict both are of length 4. So okay, let's try here. Let's debug here. Okay, so what I should do here, print the start comma index. W. Maybe this will help me understand what I'm doing wrong. -3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 0, 4, 0, 4. Okay. So in each case, I'm getting only minus. So the end is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And why it just goes to 4 only? Because it should go. Oh, oh, there is more. Okay, here it is. Now 0 to 4. The current index is 4. Means int index is 4 and the start is 0 or length is 4. Okay. dp start. dp start. I should also print dp. No change, no change. Okay, here it's change. Nice. There was only one place where it changed himself. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. True. So the next should be here. The next true should be here, but it is not. The last, let's see the last case. 3, 7, 4. 7. No, it should 4. Length is +1. Okay, now those test cases are right. Now I'm in 3. Now what happened to this guy? Four, three, three. Output is true, but expected is false. In this case, nothing changed. In second case, not a single true, not true. Okay, here when the start is 3, no, where end is 3 and start is 0. Okay, right? No, no trouble here. After that, we need change. Okay, 4, yeah, because there is a cat, dogs, there's a 4 letter. So it is also right. True, true. Then now change. Here, true. So here it is, the length is 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 3 letter. Okay, I think it should have taken the dog. So it is also true. Okay, no problem. Here it is also right. Okay. Yeah, it should give the true now. Output should be true, but expected is false. Why? Why? Maybe reused multiple time. Okay. Apple, pineapple. I have done some mistake here. There should be one more condition here, that the W minus 1 should be equals to S as index, I think. No. The W should equals to the whole world. The whole world will start from start and index plus 1. Hmm. Now case 3 is right and case 1 and case 2 are wrong. This is 1 and TP start minus 1 should be true, not the TP start. Okay, let's see the solution because it is taking too much time. Okay, true fall, length of s right, length of s plus 1, it is also right, verdict, it is also right, I minus length of w, it is also right, and the start should be greater than equals to 0, that is also right, and dp start, okay, and dp start. Um, why the end index matches with the start? Because I have to. Okay, understood. Okay, nice. Now I know why I was doing wrong. Nice, it is working, and I think this is the best solution. I think. Let's check it out. Is this the best solution or not? Okay, no solution given by Stripe. Okay, so let's check in lead code. Literal accepted. Memory runtime. DP TFS. So return FS in DP return DP. Same thing, but using dictionary. But okay, let's go to second question. Combination sum. Okay, so I have to do in this. Given array of distinct integer contained in a target integer, target return a list of all unique combination of candidate with a chosen number sum to target. You may return the combination in any order. Okay. The same number may be chosen from candidate and unlimited number. Okay. We can repeat a number. Two combinations are unique if the frequency of combination are unique if the frequency of at least one of the chosen number is different. Now, how I should solve this question? Like I know it is on a DP question. Let's make a array. I think to 7 case. Now candidates and target. Copy. Okay. 2, 3, 6, 7. Target is 7. While I am at 0, let's mm, I have to give the string also. To give the string, the best way I can think of is okay. Let's uh, let's use recursion first. Okay. After that, we will think about another solution. Brute force solution. So, so here is what we have to return our list. And this function to show a target. Whatever target is remain. Remain the remain. Now, if remain, okay, I will also have an array. If remain double equals to 0, minority append array. Hmm, wait, I can solve this question using stacking. That will s- we need just 0 minority dot append stack dot p. Okay, and then else if read candidates for val in candidates if RT minus less greater than or equals to 0, then only a hidden stack. After appending, call the function again. Fun and well, when I will return, I will just pop that value. And there is an also possibility that I will not no, no, this will be enough. Okay, function the remains of target, return the RT. Let's see, will this work or not? Okay, okay, here are values, but they are repeating. I got all the outputs, but they are repeating itself. That is a problem. Now should you change it to tuple and the return should be set append. In place of append I will add, it's the word add, and while returning I will just change this thing to list. Hmm. Okay, I also have to sort this. Stack dot copy. Okay, sorted also. Yes. Okay, it works. Now I have to write more optimized question. Yes. Okay, so now I have to write more optimized question, optimized solution. What I can do here? LRU cache. Let's check it out. Maybe. From let's see. Control LR CACHE cache. Mhm. No go. Will not work. Everything depends on remaining. So, can I make a multi-dimensional array like dictionary? Hmm. This selection keeps, but after tomorrow. Okay, so let's start again where I was. So everything's depend on remaining values. So if we make a dictionary, make a dictionary which contains key and value pair. The key should be the sum and the arrays, or I say lists. Mhm. Not dictionary. I have to make a list, and whose length should be equal to target. And target is under 40. Okay, nice. Mm, okay. We are going to make a list. Let's make its name DP to make it more powerful. Okay, so the index should be the sum, and value should be the lists. Okay, so the length of DP depends on the target. Target plus 1. Mm, Yes, I'm doing something wrong here. Mm, to make an empty list, and its L should be main list. So let's try to solve. Bro, I also don't know how to start DP. I hate DP, bro. I hate. You can write the recursion solution, it's okay. But after that, people say just write its use memorization, and after memorization, do something. I don't know how to do these things. Mm, Yeah, some recursion seems weak in front of its memorization. Well, the memorization solution comes after you know that recursion is working. It's difficult to break problem parts. Yes, you can say that. Yeah, it is. Make up this array. Let's let's see what this will print. Return empty list. Print. I want to see what this will make. Nothing. Nothing. That is not printing the DP. Studio output. Okay, this is the. Let's format this. Let's make a simple an array. Now what I have done that mm, uh, length of now I should make a TP of list which contains the list. Let's see the solution rule. I'm getting confused. Let's see how they have solved this combination. Okay, they have given a solution. Combination sum, practice, recursion, index target, and NDS, best condition. I know how to do these things. I've done these. Okay, okay. There is no DP here. No, the solution that I have done previously is the right answer. There's no better solution is one here. But there is some better solution here. See? Yeah, this thing I am trying to make, and why this is not working. See, now I know how to make list. Scoring range length of target +1. Okay, this will make the DP. After that, I'll have to go for each one. But before going that, I will have to first go go for each candidate. Value candidates TP whatever their values. Append append tuple. Append a tuple that is the value. and return nothing. Have oh, okay, okay. Sorry, target is teacher. Less than half of range. If val is greater than mm, 2367, got on their locations. I put 2, and 2 should be a list in itself. Yeah, now that is this is what I was talking about. Okay, so now for I in range target, this one. If DPI, if there is something in DPI, then go for the loop or value dates. And I should be the sum. Well, that let it remain the I. Valid candidates. Now what I have to do? Where is my cursor? Okay, here. Okay, dpi plus val dot append whatever is dpi dot. Or there is a possibility that there are more than one list present in dpi. Okay, so if I plus val is greater than target, for ERR in DPI, okay, so this should go to DPI plus val dot append error dot copy. Place the new value. Okay, let's see, and I have to return them tp minus 1. I don't know this solution works or not. Let's see what it will give. 7 2 2 3 2 3 2 2. Okay, solution is working, but it has repetition issue. So how should I remove the repetition? Well, the one way is just Mhm. Tell me that answer equals to list set list set sorted ARR for ARR in TP minus 1. This can be an answer. Oh my god. Unhashable type list. Okay. What I have done for ARR in TP minus 1, sort that array and then make a set. Okay, I have sorted, but I haven't changed it into double. Well, it is better than previous, but it is not the answer that we are searching. Let's see what these guys have done. Okay, they have sorted the candidates and used the TFS. Let's check it out. Let's put the underscore. I have also used the TFS type thing. It starts sort. Yeah, it will not change. It is not changing anything. Whatever, I have just solved this question here. Let's go to another one. Maximum sum of non-adjacent element. House robber. 1, 2, 3, 1. Put 4. You are a professional robber planning to rob houses along a street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. The only concern stopping you from robbing each of them in its adjacent house that has security system. It was automatically contact the police if two adjacent houses were broken the same night. So guarantees are array nouns representing the amount of money functions return the maximum amount of money you can rob tonight without alerting the police. Uh, not think that I have robbed this house, then I am not allowed to rob the second one. Then I should rob the number 3 or this number 1. Okay, now how should we solve this question? Let's make a let's think about this question 10 minutes for 5 minutes. If we find any solution, we'll try that. Two, three, one. Choose the first and then go for third. Okay, let's write the recursive solution that I can think. Basically, we have to add the numbers with I plus 2 as count and loop. No. Okay. I plus 2. Yeah, we have to do that. So we have two things. Either I plus 2 or the either just forward. Don't do anything. Let's make a function def and here is our current index. IMD and should also contains the sum. Should I take this sum or not? Let's try to solve it with this. Okay, so first is the length of mouse. If uh, if band is constrained length, and 0, just okay. Mm, Greater than. Okay, the in else condition, we will go for d plus 2, or we will just move forward d plus 1. These two cases. But when we are doing the d plus 2, in this case we are robbing the present house. Okay, we need the sum. Mm, Return plus 2. Okay, we are robbing the present one. So sum plus nums imd. In this case, we are not robbing anyone. So now these two cases. And when the index goes greater than or equals to, then we should return. There is also a max. Non-local maxi. Okay, either rob that, either go forward. Starting index is 0, sum is also 0. Should be the maxi. Very nice. It got accepted. Let's see the constraints. Nums dot length 100. There is some possibility. TLA. 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 Impressed. Thanks, bro. Impressed by what? That this code just run somehow. Okay, let's go. Now what we have to do? It is the right solution, and we are taking two things, that index and its sum. Yeah, I am also got surprised that in the first time it just got accepted. Hmm. Now, if we have to use DP, then these two things should be in that DP memorization. The index and sum. And this the index should be uh, the index of the list. Oh, okay, I forgot to ask my assistant. Sorry. Let me ask. Let me ask what my assistant will say. This guy already know which question I'm solving. हाँ नहीं, I don't want your TP solution. Wait. This guy used LRU cache. How? Um, max of TP I plus 1, comma nums I plus TP I plus 2. Okay, so I was using the two variables, but there is no need of two variables. We can do with only one variable. Let's make that. Oh, this should be no max. Def one only index should be there. Index greater than length. Else should um, was that return max of DP, either go forward only one or take the present nums of index plus this plus 2. Wow, such a small solution. TLE. But we have LRU cache given by Mr. Python. Hmm? Oh, it is judging. I thought again TLE. Again TLE? This time there should be no TLE, yaar. Is I'm forgetting something. Assistant, tell me TPI return equals to 0. Well, everything is fine. Wait, why I have took this IND? Should be 0. Nah, it is KUTLE. Assistant, allow you cache is not working. Bottom up TP. If LRU cache is not working, then this index, even if I make a TP memorization of this, it will not work because LRU cache do the same thing, but it works internally. Hmm. Oh my god, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है क्या है बॉटम अप टीपी टेबुलेशन। भाई साहब टेबल बना दिए। This is working in ON time. It is not that hard to understand. DP0, okay, DP0, num0, 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 what was the num? Nums, okay, the first num. Not num returns 0, then it's good to 1. We got DP 0, 1, and DP1 max of 0, and 1. Oh, it is like Fibonacci series. Okay, let's write this code. Wait, what the hell? No, the same, yeah. Same. So, cache is not on. Let's remove this guy. See, REC. Wait, I haven't changed the name of the previous solution. Wait. Oh, bro. What theory? I didn't expect this to happen. Okay, not DP. Fun. Fun. And no one saw this fatal error. Wow. Really, let's use our LRU cache here. Let's import. If LRU cache is working, then it means we can write this code in this manner. We can change the solution in DB memorization. Let's see. Yes, we can change this solution into DB. Sorry, Mr. Assistant. ChatGPT. You are right. LRU cache is working. It means we can change this question using memorization. So now the function only takes the indexes. So the DB should also be of one linear type. And it goes for index. And then we have yours star into length of nodes. No, no, it's 0. Mhm. If I am at the present, then I will loop the present house. Okay. The first house we will loop. So what is the solution then here? -1. Hmm. Well, let's go with this guy. Okay, let's go for the first house, that is dp0 minus 0. The first house dp1 is equals to max. Hmm. Now the dpi equals to max. Either load, mm, if I am in current house, then what should be the condition? Either I am going to load this house. Okay, max of dp, max of dpi, dpi plus dpi minus 2, previous 2, and then the present nums. I either I will load this or dpi minus I minus 1. Return dp minus 1. So this should be the solution. Wow. Wow. I feel like God. It took me, I think, I don't know how many minutes I have taken to just solve this question. And there are three ways to solve this. In first, I have taken two variables, index and sum, and in second, I have taken one only index. And in third, I have changed this recursive solution into dp1. Maximum sum of non-adjacent element. I think I have done this question. How? Okay, house robber 2. Okay. We have done house robber 1. Now we know house robber 2. Wow. Where a person plans along the street. Each house has a certain amount of money stashed. All houses at this place are arranged in a circle. That means the first houses are never of the last one. Meanwhile, the adjacent house have a security system connected to its but it was same right given that okay, same question, but this time they are not in a line, they are in a circle. Wow. So what we can do? Either we can just take this solution that we have done, copy, then paste, raw linear. Okay, in the first condition, we will remove the last house. Okay, return max of underscore linear nums, whatever the starting position, I don't care. Length of nums -1. Yeah. Jugaad. Okay, next. Yeah, I think this should work. Hmm. Mm, indentation doesn't match any of the tab. Okay. Let's see what I have done wrong here. Okay, here nums. Let's make this ARR. Okay. Okay, now I understand what is going on here. Mm, mm, okay, just remove this whole. I will just copy. Nice. Hmm. 232. Solution raw locals, raw plot linear, missing. Okay. There should be no self here. C. Ah, why God, why? I also have to add this. Hmm. Okay, this is the special case. If length of ARR equals to 1, then return ARR. Sorry, ARR 0. See, ah, it works. Just make it straight. Just call that function 2 times and it works. This line. Let's see how other guys have solved this question. Ha, same. Same way to solve. Let's see Striver how Striver solved this question. Hmm. Okay, let's go towards another question. These two guys are complete decode ways. We have intercept a serial message encoded as a string of numbers. The message decoded by the following map. 6. For example, 11106 can be decoded into AHF, KGF with the group. Okay. Okay. Now we have to decode this. Let's take a small break of 3 minutes. Okay, let's start. Okay, so decode ways. So we need to make a function because in this either choose one word or more than one word. Alphabet. One alphabet or two alphabets. Okay. So def fun again index. Let's go with stuck. Stack and answer is also a list, I think. No, output is two. Let's read the question again. I think I haven't read the question properly. When intercept the zero message equal to string of number, the message is decoded by the following mapping. Okay. However, while decoding the message, realize there are many different ways to decode the message because it's okay. Okay. Note, there may be strings that are impossible to decode. Given a string S containing only digits, returns the number of ways to decode it. So answer is zero right now. Okay. If index, let's also take a length variable, the length of S. If we have somehow reached this place, it means there is some answer. The answer plus equals to 1. I should return 1 now if you else if my return subtract this moment of answer variable. Okay. Now index table is equal to length return 1 else the first thing if I get 0 in the starting on every anywhere. Okay, if sid double equals to 0, then it means there is something has been gone wrong here. Just return 0 here. Okay, if it is not 0 and if s index is in 1 or 2. Because we have letter from 1 to 26, so there's a possibility that two-digit numbers, the possibility of two-digit number, and every two-digit number have the first value either 1 or 2. Okay, so that's why if this is a possibility, then I have to do something. And if this is these numbers are not there, it's neither 0, neither 1, neither 2, it means that will be a number between 3 to 9. Okay. If it is between 3 to 9, then it means that is a number. Just return 1 ID plus 1. Okay. So now here, in this case, we have to return two types of value. In this pass, whatever we have to do, this place. Okay, 11 हो गया. Okay, if S and D double equals to 1, then what I have to do? I have to check the next is the IND plus 1 is present or not. The first thing, okay. If IND plus 1 is less than, greater than, no, yeah, if it is greater than length, then do nothing. Just pass, do nothing. And in else condition, there is some value after that. So now I have to check. Do I need to check? Means there is a question. Do I have to check? Means the next number should be between 0 to 9. And if it is 1, then 0 to 9 all are valid. So let's just I say that all are valid. Here's question I should write. Okay, let's make this condition if S and D equals to 1, then do something. then do something. Okay, it will be more easier to understand. If it is 1 and if int plus 1 is less than length, and I have to do return. There will be two values. First is 1 ind plus 1 plus 1 ind plus 2. And this condition is not true, then I just have to go 1 ind plus plus 1. Okay. So now same thing I have to do with 2, but here is the problem that with 2 only 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to 6 are allowed only. D plus 1 is less than 10 means the same thing. Copy. But now there is and there is a more condition that we have to do here. 0 less than equals to something less than equals to 6. Yes, might be. That's one. And I have to change this into integer. Okay. Too many returns. Let's see it will work or not. Wow. I feel like God. K-O-A. Clearly. Yeah. Okay. So now we know that in this way we can solve this question. And there's no need of stack. Memorization. Okay, let's use the LRU cache. If LRU cache works in this solution, then it means we can change this question into DP. This SH cache. Okay, LRU cache is working. It means there is a solution in which it will work. Means DP, we can change the solution in DP. What is the recursion? So now here's a new question, how I should change this in DP. Like in function, I have just given one variable. Then this should be the one thing that I have to take in consideration, and this what I am returning. Okay, so DP should be a list. The hash index should context nd. Sorry. Key should be index and the value should be the thing that we are returning. And key is index, then the length of DP should be equals to length of S. Okay, so now what? Now what? Now what we should do to solve this? Make a loop range variable and show length of S. Now loop is ready. Let's forget about the two-digit numbers, okay? Let's just consider that there is only single-digit numbers are available. So for single-digit numbers are available, then for that, Mhm. Uh, there is also a possibility that there is no solution available. When there is no solution, output is 0. How I should tackle that thing? Let's forget about that. Let's go with this. DPI. And okay. plus 1 dp 0 equals to 1. Ah, let's see the solution. It's been more than half an hour. Decode ways. No solution has been given. Why there are many solutions that is not given by Strava series? Hmm. Now make a TP a dictionary length of s and then 1 keys length and okay. Then for a range length of s, okay, now we are going in reverse direction. If s I double equals to 0, dp I equals to 0 as dp I is equal to dp I plus 1. This is I plus 1. If I plus 1 is less than length of s, okay. Si double equals to 1 or Si double equals to 2 and Si in the rate of 6, okay. Okay, see, these are conditions that they have used. In the place of list, they have used the dictionary. If 0, then dpi 0, and else just dpi this. Now for exceptional case, there is a whole if condition. Same thing, just using dp. I hate you. I hate you, dp. dp, shit. Length of s, dp is equals to len 1. This I don't understand why the value of len is equals to 1 has been taken. Maybe a constant has been taken. Okay, so for I range length minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. If s I double equals to 0, then dp I equals to 0 as dp equals to dp I plus 1. I think because of this thing. If dpi is the last element, that is length minus 1, then dpi plus 1 will be this. Okay, so after that, if else condition has been given, then if I plus 1, here the special condition to check two values, to take two combination of two. For that, I have to just check if I plus 1 is less than length and nums I double equals to 2, or oh sorry, 1 1 1 1, nums I double equals to 2. If it equals to 2, then there should be one more condition, that the next value, that is nums I plus 1, should be in 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. If these condition are follows, then dpi plus equals to dpi plus 2. I think this should be the answer. And then dpi minus 1. Nums is not defined. Do you mean dumps? Not num, it is s. 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 dp minus 1. Oh, sorry. I don't remember what I have to give here. What he was returning? dp 0. Two test cases pass, one fail. That's 0 6. So what I have done wrong, that disk I have done right. Okay, this condition is right. This condition is also right. Then if I plus 1 is less than length as, this is also I have done right. And if si double equals to 1 or si equals to 2, then si plus 1 should be in the range 0 to 6. Everything I have done is same. Then why my answer is wrong? For these cases, let's go for ChatGPT. Oh, okay. This is the problem. It is the same code in the recursive way and change that recursive solution in DP. And I hate DP. You can make a recursive solution, but not DP solution. It is very difficult. Maybe in future I should start liking this. Maybe. But in present, nah. It's 319. Unique path. There is a robot on a M cross and grid. The robot is usually located at the top left corner, grid 0, 0. The robot tries to move to the bottom right corner. Okay. The robot can only move either down or right. Okay. Given the two integer m and n, return the number of possible unique paths that the robot can take. Thus keys are generated so that the answer will be less than or equals to 2 into 10 power 9. Now what I should do in this question? Means this guy can go down or right. And what I have to answer? Number of unique paths. Run the number of possible unique paths. Possible unique path. That is at least think for 5 minutes. Okay, guys, you think I am going for a break of 3 minutes? Okay. Doesn't show. Okay. Let me break. It's not going to. Just a moment. Okay. I will come after. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so where is MS Calc? Where is this? Black. Okay, so here is a question. I'm cross and grid, like I'm 3 and 7. 0, 1, 2, 3. Same for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. कैसा है? How should I increase the columns? Okay, I have to decrease the rows. Okay, this is the font size. Okay, 4, 5, and 6. 3 and 7. So our robot is here. Let me guess true. I have to route towards end. Hmm. So how many ways I wish he can go? Like either go in this direction or in this direction. After that, one, one. In this way, I will just fill all the values with one. Should, the main problem is that I get the unique combination. For unique combination, can we use recursion? Yes. If I fill everyone with one, then what will happen? Okay, to reach this place. Okay, how many ways there are? There are two. The addition of these two. Okay, so and to reach this place, how many ways I have? This guy to reach this place. I have one through the up or through the left. So this thing answer should be 3. The same goes for this. 3 plus 1 4. If the end answer matches with my solution, then hooray. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. Again 4. Again 10. Again 20. 20? Let me see how many ways that the guy has. Output is 3. No, output is 28. Am I doing something wrong here? Calculation mistake or something? Mhm. Let's do this. Let's think letter. 4 plus 1, 5. This should be 6. This should be 7. Mm. What I am doing here. Start position 1. Okay. And 1, 1. Okay. To reach this position, I need to reach this position 3. The first way is to this, and another way is to this, and third way is to go down to get this. 3 ways to go. This is right, and the same goes for here. Then why my answer is increasing? Look, it has more, like here is 28, which should be output. And mine increase more than 100. What could be wrong? Let's take a small example. M is 3 and N is 2. What is M? Okay, let's put M. And this is N. Such okay. Select everyone. Make them add row name. nice. New picture. Okay, nice. This is what I was trying to do. So now for the new portion, it is 3 and 2. 3 and 2. M is 3 and N is 2. So this is an answer. So change its color, make it red. Okay. I have to find this. And the answer should be of this is 3. Huh? 3? Okay. Let's see how 3 is coming. Just to reach this place, I find oh, sorry. 3. It is 3. It is 3. It is 3. Right, it is 3. 10 is the answer of the M is 4 and N is 3. Okay, nice. Change. Change to default. How to change that? Okay. Till here, everything is fine. 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. 3. 3 plus 6. 6, 4, 10. 6, 4, 10, 10, 10, 20. 5, 10, 15. 20, 35. Oh, bro. Too big, too big, too big, too big. No. Something is wrong. How much time we have? Okay, 10 minutes. Let's see the solution. Mhm. Okay. What's the question? Unique path. Grid unique path. Here is their solution. Count path from left top to right bottom. These images are not loaded. Put it. What happened? The single image is loaded. Okay, I think I have to find its answer in these solutions. Uh, he has done the code in a single linear array, 1D array. No. Chat GPT. Chat GPT, guys. Okay. Okay. This was the solution that I was trying to do, I think. DPI means from top and from left. But I was doing the same thing now. Why it go wrong? 28. M is 3 and N is 7. M is 3, N is 7. Wait. 15, 6 and 15. It become 21. Bro, I was doing all right. This. Remove this. Remove this. Remove. Delete row. Yeah, I was doing everything right. Hmm. No one pointed out that. Okay. Matrix. 1, 2, N, and then matrix I, J equals to whatever the matrix, the present row and the previous column, and matrix mm, this will change the row, then we will go column wise up. This will change the column, then we will go row wise left. Okay, nice. Then return matrix -1, -1. I submit. Submit. I have a question how they have solved this code in a single array. Pero, what is this? What is this? Math combination of m plus n minus 2 comma m minus 1. Seriously? Means I am trying to find the solution and this guy just gave me a single line solution, not a single function solution. Let's first check it. Maybe it doesn't work. Score bottom what this say this bottom up. Don't know what this is. These cheesy lines. Bottom up. Return math dot combination m minus n plus 1 comma m plus 1. I think this was the solution. M plus n minus 2. Okay, m plus n. And the second one is m minus 1. No, bro. Bro, it's just a single line solution. Single function solution. And this is medium level question solved by single line. M plus n minus 2. I just forgot the formula of combination. What is combination? NCR, n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. So m plus n minus 2. How this is working? The approach is faster and uses constant space. Would you like to see the recursive? You need to make n minus 1 down moves and n minus 1 right moves. Okay. So the total path is let's say so it means the solution of these both combination should be same. Let's forget about this. Let's go for next question. Unique path. Done. The last DP question. Jump game. You are given integer array nums. You are initially positioned at the array first index. And each element is the array represented for maximum jump length at that possible. Okay. Return true if you can reach the last index. Or false otherwise. Okay. I think this should be easy. Like just make a just name it DP. I don't know what I should name it. And false star length of nums. Okay. And then in or sorry, for num in nums. Okay. No, I need I need the indexes. I need the indexes. For I in length of nums should also be a variable length of nums. range ln. Okay, then dp for j in a range uh, whatever the present location is, from present location to nums I, whatever this is given, plus till this range, make every dp value true, and then return dp minus. Okay, there is a chance that this should exceed the length of nums with this. Wrong answer. Okay, nice. Okay, so my earbuds. Okay, I'm already not connected. Measuring the first to one. Okay, this should work now. Length is one, then dp falls for I range length. Just one. Change range I plus one. I is already 0, then 1. Do not change anything. The output is false. But the expected is true. Okay. Special case. Length of nums equals to 1 and nums 0 double equals to 0 and return true. Seriously? Okay, sorry. There's no need for this. अरे really seriously. Okay, so we got LA. What was I didn't expect that I will get DLE in this. Let's go for our assistant. That assistant will help me. Okay, your something problem is almost correct, but there is a logic issue. Now you are updating the TP error. Okay. You are assigning TPJ is equal to TPI for all J reachable from all. However, this doesn't show us that jth position is reachable only if TPI is true. So you should add a condition only update TPJ if TPI is true. Okay. Okay. If TPI. We don't think it will change anything. Corrected code. Oh, okay. If TPI. Oh, not here. If if DPI, this will help, I think. Maybe there are some chances. But nice. It has removed the TLE, but at an edge. Okay, let's see what is the right answer. Alternate optimized greedy approach. For length norms. If I is greater than max reach, return false. Max reach is equal to max reach, come I plus psi. Okay, in this we are just finding the maximum reach. Now, from present position, how far we can go. Is there any other solution? I think this is the last of this DP series. Yes, this is the last question of DP. From, what should I name this? Greedy. I have written the DP and in reality it is greedy. No, 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 it is DP. It is DP. DP, 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 DP. Not best solution. Now we are going to do greedy solution. Max underscore reach. What was that? If I is greater than max reach. Good false. Okay. If I is greater than max reach, then just return the false statement, or else just update the max reach. Max reach is equals to max I plus क्या था यार plus psi. Nice. Somehow we have solved these all question. There's only one question that I was not able to understand clearly. That is longest common subsequence. I will see that later. Let's go with graph. No. Graph. Okay. Hard, 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 hard. Can we do heap? Up. Let's go straight line. Clone the graph. Let's first take a break. Okay, let's, let's start. Mhm, mhm. Oh, why my laptop is eating too much? Mhm. Clone graph. Well, just by question heading, we can understand what we are going to do. You can't return the same graph. This looks like a clone. The nodes are new. Graph looks the same. Okay. So I have to make new nodes and I also have to connect them. Why it looks like that it is very difficult. It is okay, it is in medium. Before solving the graph questions, I was thinking to solve binary, but there is no, there is linkless matrix string tree heap. Bro, these are also good questions. Let's get back here and let's think. What is time, by the way? It's 4 o'clock. Okay, and our stream is 3 hours. I think we should stop here because it's 4. Let's sleep. Okay, then good night, guys. Thank you for being together. Mm, okay, just stop the stream. Good night.